In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files into a shared drive in Google Drive. This process is a straightforward yet essential task that can significantly boost your productivity and help your team work more efficiently. Google Drive is a widely used platform by individuals and businesses alike. It's renowned for being reliable and effective for storing and sharing files online. However, if you've been trying to figure out how to move content into a shared drive, you might have found the process a bit tricky. But don't worry, because we're going to break it down step by step. Let's get started by opening up Google Drive. If you're not logged in yet, the platform will prompt you to sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the familiar layout of your Google Drive, where all your files and folders are displayed. Now, your first task is to locate the file you want to move. You can do this by scrolling through your drive or using the search bar to find the file name. After you've located the file, direct your attention to the right side of it. There, you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal a list of options that you can perform on that file. Hover your cursor over the Organize option and then click on Move. This action will prompt a new window to appear, displaying the various locations within your Google Drive. Next, you need to pinpoint the shared drive where you intend to move your file. Click on All Locations to view a more detailed breakdown of your drive structure. In this list, you'll find a section labeled Shared with Me. Click the small arrow located next to it. This will expand the view and show you all the shared drives in which you have access. It's important to note that you'll only see those drives where you've been given permissions to move files. Select the shared drive you want your file in by clicking on it. Once you've navigated inside the desired shared drive, return to your original file and hit Move again to complete the transfer. And that's all there is to it. Your file is now successfully relocated to the shared drive. This simple action can make a significant impact on collaboration, ensuring all team members have access to the files they need. If you have more files to transfer, just repeat these steps for each one. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Be sure to save this tutorial for future reference and consider sharing it with coworkers or friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!